Join me as I take on the challenge of removing the worst earwax buildup I've ever seen. Earwax removal is a common procedure, but it's one that's often overlooked until it becomes a serious problem. The truth is, earwax buildup is a normal and natural process, but when it gets out of control, it can cause discomfort, hearing loss, and even infections. That's why it's so important to address buildup when it happens. You might be wondering, what makes earwax buildup so severe in some cases? Well, it can happen to anyone, but certain factors can increase your risk. For example, if you use earbuds or headphones frequently, you're more likely to push wax deeper into your ear canal, causing buildup. Similarly, if you have narrow ear canals or produce more earwax than usual, you might be more prone to buildup. In extreme cases, severe earwax buildup can cause hearing loss, ear infections, and even affect your balance and coordination. When earwax buildup becomes severe, it can be a real challenge to remove. I've seen cases where the wax is so compacted and impacted that it's like a hard, rock-like substance. It's no wonder that people can experience symptoms like ear pain, discharge, and even vertigo when their earwax buildup gets out of control. The worst part is, severe buildup can be a sign of underlying health issues, so it's essential to get it checked out by a professional. Severe earwax buildup can also be a sign of poor ear hygiene, which is often a result of using cotton swabs or other objects to clean the ears. This can push the wax deeper into the ear canal, causing more harm than good. In severe cases, it can even lead to a condition called cerumen impaction, where the ear canal becomes completely blocked by wax. Needless to say, this is a serious problem that requires immediate attention. So, how does earwax buildup happen in the first place? Well, our ears are self-cleaning, and earwax is a natural barrier that protects our ear canals from dirt, dust, and other debris. However, when earwax mixes with dead skin cells and other particles, it can become impacted and build up over time. Some people are more prone to earwax buildup due to their genetics, age, or certain medical conditions. The symptoms of earwax buildup can vary from person to person, but common signs include hearing loss, ear fullness, and discharge. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's essential to get your ears checked out by a professional. Ignoring earwax buildup can lead to serious complications, so don't wait until it's too late. Okay, it's time to get started on the removal process. I have to say, I'm a little nervous about this one. The buildup is seriously severe. But with the right tools and techniques, I'm confident we can get it out. The removal process can be a bit gruesome, but it's amazing how much wax can be hiding in those tiny ear canals. As I start to remove the wax, you can see just how compacted and impacted it is. It's no wonder this person was experiencing symptoms like hearing loss and ear pain. As I continue to remove the wax, you can see just how much is coming out. It's incredible, and a little bit disgusting, if I'm being honest. But the look on this person's face when they realize how much wax was hiding in their ear is just priceless. The best part of the removal process is seeing the look of surprise and relief on someone's face when they realize how much better they can hear and feel. It's an incredible feeling knowing that I've helped someone regain their hearing and comfort. Regular ear hygiene is key to preventing earwax buildup, and that includes avoiding cotton swabs and other objects that can push wax deeper into the ear canal. If you're prone to earwax buildup, consider getting your ears professionally cleaned on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've had any experiences with earwax buildup, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're interested in more ear-related content, be sure to check out my other videos. Related content.